sometimes copy and paste don't work as you expect. So here we've got some information in my YouTube channel, and I just want to copy these chapters. So I'm just going to highlight that section, and I'm doing a Control-C copy. And I want to paste it into Excel to work with it. The problem is when I click in Excel and I paste, Control-V, for whatever reason, suddenly it's a long line. Now you can clean this up, but it can be quite a bit of a problem. So you'll notice I've got Notepad open. So when you've got something like this, it's always useful. It's still in my clipboard. I'm going to go into my Notepad, paste it, and you'll see it actually seems to recognize the formatting. And if I now highlight and copy that and paste it in Excel, suddenly it puts it in its own rows. So it's a lot easier to clean that up than to try and clean that up.